5 reasons why you should plant a tree. Trees help in cleaning the air and conserving energy. They serve as a natural habit for some species of animals. This problem can be helped if people are ready to plant trees. The tree can assist in cleaning our streams. They purify water and make them safe for wildlife. One of their most significant advantages is their ability to help fight global warming, because carbon dioxide is the primary cause of global warming. Trees can remove carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. In today's video, we shall consider why we should encourage tree planting. Please watch till the end to gain a detailed understanding of the subject of discussion. There will be a bonus point at the end, so stay glued. Number 1. Trees prevent soil erosion. Heavy rainfall is usually the cause of runoffs. During this period, water can find its way to streams and lakes. This is a situation that is typically referred to as flooding. As the water runs, it picks up all forms of pollutants and deposits them in the water bodies. However, if trees were planted, soil erosion and runoff would have been controlled. The water will go into the ground rather than causing the whole area to be flooded. Number 2. Trees conserve energy. While trees conserve energy, they also provide valuable shelter from increasing temperatures, and you and your family will get to enjoy the shade from the sun. Trees are a good source of shade because the leaves of these trees are in the form of a canopy, and they block sun rays. You don't need to spend all your money on energy bills to enjoy the coolness in your home. Similarly, during the winter, the trees are an excellent source of shelter to prevent you from the cold weather. In addition, there is an increase in the value of your home when you plant trees around them. A study has shown that it makes your home more beautiful and gives it a better appeal. Number 3. Trees encourage you to breathe clean air. Trees absorb CO2, nitrogen, sulfur dioxide, and other pollutants from the air. Trees are green plants. That is why they can take in all these pollutants. Now, where would we have been without these trees? Because without them, there will be a high level of contaminants in our atmosphere and environment. Most of us learned in college that trees undergo the process of photosynthesis. With the help of this process, trees can produce oxygen. As humans, we depend mainly on this for survival. Other living organisms also survive on trees. They serve as a natural habitat to some animals like owls and more. Most of these flying animals live their entire life on trees, and they reproduce while living in the trees. Animals like koalas survive by feeding on leaves from trees. In comparison, the birds on the trees feed on nectar. If we don't plant trees, what will happen to the hundreds of animals that depend on trees for survival? This is an important question that deserves an urgent answer in order to save our environment and conserve wildlife. Before we proceed, please like and share this video. In the section below, leave a comment or two about what you think of tree planting. Number 4. Trees help to feel good. We are not only saving the environment by planting trees. We also save ourselves, because trees make us feel better when anxious or depressed. When we are tired from work, we tend to feel better when we take a walk. Our mind is at rest as we appreciate the beauty of nature. We tend to appreciate how our cities are greener unconsciously, and this helps us to forget how stressed we are from the day's work. If you have no reason to plant trees, here is a fundamental reason: plant trees to help you elevate your mood when you are down. Number 5. Trees increase land fertility. The importance of planting trees cannot be overemphasized. In addition to their numerous benefits, it helps to increase the fertility of the land. Trees have the ability to hold soil particles together. Over time, they influence infertile soil positively. As a bonus tip, when is the right time to plant trees? Tree planting is best done during the summer. If you want to plant a tree, you should take action from October until March. Tree planting during the winter is not encouraged, because trees are vulnerable during this period. When it is time for you to plant trees, look out for the best species, take your time to research, and ask those who are experienced for help. Plant the tree with your family and loved ones. Whenever they see the tree in future, they will always think of you and how fun it was. Trees make our homes and environment look beautiful. They also serve as a season indicator. They mark the beginning of a new season and the end of another. A house doesn't entirely feel like a home unless there are trees planted around to purify the air your family breathes in. In addition to all mentioned, they bring the community together and encourage oneness. They can also serve as something that can remind you of the beautiful moments that you share with your loved ones. To positively impact the environment, you should consider planting a tree. Enjoyed this video? Let us know by giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with your friends. Got questions or ideas for future videos? Drop us a like. Create toxin-free environment at your home and business. Sign up for our Green Living Masterclasses. Thank you for watching, and until next time, create a greener and healthier environment around you.